Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume using your speaker SOUNDCORE Motion 300. And firstly we need to locate volume control buttons and locate it at the top of the speaker. Right here we have it. To increase the volume you need to use volume up button that have a plus icon, and you just press on it, and as you can see at this widget it worked. To lower the volume you need to use volume down button that have a minus icon, and again you just press on it one time and you will lower the volume. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.